Understanding, plot a course, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, plot a course. This is a versatile phrase used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore this together. Plot a course originally comes from navigation and literally means to plan the route for a ship or aircraft. However, its usage extends far beyond just navigation. In everyday English, it's often used metaphorically to mean planning a course of action or strategy to achieve a specific goal. It implies careful planning and consideration of various factors to ensure success. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help in grasping their meaning more deeply. The phrase, plot a course, has its roots in maritime navigation. Mariners would plot their route on nautical charts to navigate seas and oceans. This historical context highlights the importance of careful planning and precision, which is still implied in the phrase's modern usage. 1. Career planning. She plotted a course for her career in engineering, starting with an internship. 2. Personal goals. After graduating, he plotted a course to travel around the world. 3. Business strategy. The CEO plotted a course for the company's expansion over the next 5 years. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the aspect of strategic planning and direction setting. When using plot a course, remember it implies a detailed and thoughtful plan. It's not used for spontaneous or unplanned actions. Also, it's more formal and might not be suitable for casual conversations. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of plot a course. Remember, it's all about planning your route, whether it's in life, career, or specific projects. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.